From Philadelphia
I love the snow.
to Camden County.
We'll get out on the road maybe around 12-ish, and we'll be from 12 into the morning.
Everyone is getting ready for the snow. Camden County Commissioner Al Dyer says they have over 100 crews spread out across 1,200 miles of road, working around the clock.
So we're most likely be laying salt, and then probably in the morning, if it starts accumulating, we'll start using the plows to get the snow up.
This weekend's weather system is expected to dump inches of snow across parts of our region. PennDOT says they have 430 trucks ready to go as soon as it starts falling.
We're well prepared. We'll begin with spreading salt across the area. You'll see a lot of our trucks out, especially if you're out on Saturday night. And then, as soon as that snow starts to accumulate, an inch of snow, we'll drop the blades and begin clearing operations, remove snow from travel lanes, and go from there.
The snow and bitterly cold wind could make for some slick spots on roadways by Sunday morning.
I can't wait. I want to do snowman.
Elena Arnold says she's using this snow day as the perfect excuse to stay home.
With my kids, I'll make a snowman. We'll do like a snow angel. It'll be so much fun.
Now, a lot of these plow truck drivers tell me, that they're going to be out throughout the night working on the roads, making sure that they are clear for anyone who needs to drive. They are asking if drivers, if you can stay home, do that, stay off the roads, and allow them to do their job. Live in South Philly, Kelsey Kushner, NBC 10 News.